In this video, you're going to learn how to stop sharing information with people, what location you're in, how data is shared with other companies, data that could possibly be sold, harvested by companies. They know how to target adverts that I'm giving you a video here that you can make the choice on who you share your information with. Do you want to share your information with coders and other people like that? Watch this video and find out more. Go to settings, scroll down to privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security on your iPhone. Here you can see the quantity of applications tracking, which is 13 on my phone. So go in on your iPhone into the tracking. See how many applications are tracking your movements. Allow apps to ask to track and actually access across companies and websites when this is off, and app tracking requests are automatically denied. Go to the search for analytics and improvements. Make a choice in analytics and improvements what data you want to share. You can share to improve your handwriting, improve your health and activity. You can share with app developers as well. Here you can see I'm going to turn off share with app developers. I don't want to share my data with app developers. You do a search for Apple advertising, and if you want to, you can switch off your personal ads and other information. So you can view your ad targeting information by just clicking on the hyperlink. Gone all the way back and gone to location services. I do a search for location services. Here you can turn on off if service is shared with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS. The services for applications you can turn off if you want those services shared. So some may be important, such as I share my services with Tado for geofencing, so that my gas, electricity for my central heating is consumed less when I'm away from home. Here I'm going into system, services. Yes, can learn significant locations, your most visited places. So if you want, you can turn this off. You can also clear the history down at the very bottom of the page. So here you can see I'm going to clear the history, and I've turned off the significant locations. If you learnt something today, carry on and watch another video and learn a bit more, or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.